So I heard us in other interviews, you said about your link with Papa San. How that come about?
Yeah, man, Papa San are way after. Because me end up I live at Corville now, and Papa San a produce with a bridging over there when he am Spacer. We have a label when he am Survival label. So that was Spacer, Donovan Lubar, and Papa San. And me in the community as a little artist now, where everybody love. So you find out, say, Spacer, look for artists. And I must say, all right, we do some work. And the moment he introduced me to Papa San and say, I'm a little artist, this, you know, from the scheme, you know, and Papa San hear me one time, I like me and Papa San become even closer than everybody with there around before me.
Wow.
You overs and San actually start push my thing, give me my first video, San give me that video there.
What song was that?
I sang my name Bugle An9ted. I'll Bugle in that video there.
No man, you have to give us piece of the thing. Yardstyle.
I remember them lyrics.
You must give you a line out tight, man.
In them I go on. Yeah, I mean them time that was a thing still. You overs them I say, so when you sing them thing them time there is like a bad lyrics.
Bad lyrics here, bad lyrics are lyrics, you know. So when I said that, you know what?
Yeah, so, but then Papa San made the transition now, in the midst of pushing me.
Wow, that must have been devastating.
So I moved from dancehall to the church.
So how you fit in that day, sir?
Me not fit in, because me now prefer going to the church.
Yeah, but that be from...
A dancehall I deal with, but what it really do, still, all of what I learned from being around Papa San, the recording them and the hangout and everything. And it even make people get to know me. So when me even stop connect with Papa San and that level, when me turn up like a big ship studio, the man them just know say a San artist this, so him welcome.
So you still talk to San?
Well, a long time I don't talk to him, but San like a brother. To me. And I don't know, maybe because me and him even have the same last name, the connection is always strong.
Maybe that's some distant relative.
Possibly, Tyrone Thompson, you know.
Yardstyle Live.